Hello everyone, myself Supriya Rai. In this video, you will listen the sound of birds. Also, you will know about the scientific classification of that bird. This bird, which you have seen just before the slide, is known as red-whiskered bulbul. This is known as red-whiskered bulbul just because of the red color which is present on the head and the back of the bird. The scientific classification of this bird is as follow. You can see here kingdom, phylum, aves, order, family, genus, species. Thank you for watching.